If you walked into a t-shirt shop and demanded that the t-shirts be delivered at a certain time without saying how many you wanted, what sizes, and what colors, the clerk would laugh at you. Well, that's what Boeing is doing to their suppliers. I work in supplier management, change management, and we work with Boeing engineers and suppliers when a customer changes their original plan. For example, if American Airlines wants to change their overhead storage bin from size or quantity, we work to make sure that that change is still going to support the delivery date. What's happening now, an engineer will design a change and move on to the next customer change as well. Without knowing all that information and putting it onto the schedule, we, supplier management, have a hard time going to the supplier with all the accurate information. They have development schedules that they use in order to go to the supplier, and without the accurate information, it's hard for them to get to commit to that delivery date. I believe that supplier management, Boeing engineers, and the suppliers will benefit from a process improvement by implementing all these specifics into the schedule. The engineers won't be bugged by supplier management with a whole bunch of phone calls, because what typically happens, they work on a change and move on to the next one. So it would take time out of their day to answer all of our phone calls and go back. Secondly, there would be less uncertainty. When they add the information of the specifics of the delta differences between the changes of parts, we are able to know what material it is, which gives us a good indication of which supplier is going to be able to support that part. So less uncertainty would make for a faster process. And lastly, I believe there would be a big, huge improvement in the credibility that supplier management has with their suppliers. Right now, with the stress and the lack of time, we're going out for commitments on parts we're not very sure about, so that they don't have very much credibility in supplier management. With all these improvements, I believe that the Boeing employees, supplier management, and suppliers will have a benefit to their process improvement. So think of the t-shirt shop. Boeing is the customer. The t-shirt shop are the suppliers. By Boeing coming to the t-shirt shop and giving them a clear expectation of what they want in their order, the supplier, the t-shirt shop owner, will be able to execute that order in a timely manner. That's a t-shirt I want to wear.